Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the opening of the Team Beachbody Diamond Pack. It just came this morning. The box, I think, is about 35 pounds. Looks like it's about, let's say, 3.5 foot long. Humongous. Excited. So, we're going to open the box. I'm going to use my key. Alright, so the way it looks here, got a whole display box. So, I'm going to slide this up. Let's turn it around. And there we go. Beautiful. Rocking the Beachbody blue. Your grand opening kit. Let's take this and move this aside. Okay. Let me get my scissors. Okay. I'm going to gently cut these open. Doing this one-handed. Oh, there we go. Thank you, baby.
You're welcome.
Alright. There goes the straps. And here we go, the unveiling. Ooh, look at that, look at that, look at that. We got our P90X hat. Our P90X DVDs. P90X Quick Start Guide. The Fitness Guide. P90X Extreme Home Fitness. This is the Nutrition Plan book. We have the Beachbody. I don't have the greatest camera, but this is the Beachbody Herbal Immune Boost with, yeah. Alright. One of the sculpting bands. Insanity. This is the bonus workout. Turbo Fire with Chalene Johnson. The Turbo Fire booklets and schedule. Turbo Fire Greatest Hits. Let's see, it's an exclusive bonus workout. Insanity. The full collection. We got some stickers here for Insanity, P90X, the Emerald Entrance bonus. This is my certificate that if I reach Emerald in 30 days, I can redeem this For any workout routine, I want a free one. And then I can either keep it, sell it, give it to a relative. And here we have our measuring tape so we can keep good track of our progress, our fitness goals. The insanity booklets. See, I'm not watching the camera as I'm doing this. Sorry about my bad cameraman skills. My business starter kit. Shakeology. Ooh, look at the good stuff. Nutrition simplified. That's right. This has the chocolate and the green berry packs. There's 12 of each. It's a net weight of 37.24 ounces. Nutrition label on the back for both the green berry and the chocolate. It's awesome. Good stuff. And over here, we have P90X 101 Volume 3. This is where Tony gets down and dirty with some extra stuff to keep you going after P90X. 101 Volume 3, chest, back, and balls. This is the P90X Peak Performance Pack. Has 12 protein bars. Each protein bar is 20 grams of protein. We have chocolate peanut butter, wild berry yogurt, cafe mocha, and chocolate fudge. All the stuff that we're trying to stay away from. Let's see, the Brazil butt lift special workout. And the Brazil butt lift workout itself. Alright. Slim in 6 with Debbie Siebers. Week 7 and on. Here's the full workout routine. We have the handles for the bands right here. We have another, this is one of the booty bands for the Brazil butt lift. The Power 90 system. There you go, it's got its power bands also. Now, do I see the... I'm not seeing the handles. It could be in there somewhere.
You might have to
or interact with the ones that are, or yeah, interchange, I mean, with the ones that are here. Comes with a pencil. Just make sure there's no excuses. You can't say, oh, I didn't have a pen to write it down today. Well, you got a pencil. Oh, it actually comes with a second measuring tape. So watch this DVD for Shakeology. And we have the product catalogs. If I actually paid attention to the camera, I'm sure that this wasn't the best opening video, and I apologize. I'm a little excited paying attention to actually what I'm doing instead of the camera angle itself. This is our Get Started Right guide. There's multiple ones that we could pass out to our coaches, personally sponsored coaches. Then we have our 40 Decide DVDs. A ton of them. Tons and tons and tons and tons. Oh, and then the Beachbody Solution DVD, of course. That's always a good thing to have there, of course. And here we have the Core Cal Mag. Calcium, magnesium. And on the, on the back, of course, it has all the nutrition information. And here's the omega-3s. And then here is the P90X Peak Recovery Formula. Yeah, it comes with 30 packets. 30 packets, 180 capsules, the 30-day supply. And then, yeah, this is the multivitamins. I'm sorry. I said the recovery formula. That's this here. Bunch of the packs. We've got the smooth orange. Looks like we've got all smooth orange. Yep, it's all smooth orange. Which is fine. I like orange, and it actually smells good. I think one of them open, maybe? Yeah, I could smell it. There you go. The Diamond Kit. That's it right there, baby. Now, you can take this box, of course, as you see, and you can actually set it up to be your display at, say, a local mall or a flea market or whatnot. And I'm pretty much out of time. I'm going to have to nip and tuck this video a little bit. I'm at 11.5 minutes, so that's the box. Rock on.